today's video, our shop got flooded. We had to get trees removed and we ended up getting an entirely new concrete driveway for our shop. As you guys have seen over the last few days, Hurricane Helene has been absolutely catastrophic for people all across the Southeast United States, and I've been really happy to see different creators like Cletus McFarland stepping up to actually helping these people out and bringing them supplies, and seeing that inspired us to want to be a part of it. So right now, if you guys go to itsjustasix.com, you can grab entries in to win both of these cars behind me. We're gonna be drawing 2 winners, but also if you use the code Helene at checkout, we're gonna donate 100% of those proceeds towards helping these families that are in need right now. There are people starving, people don't have running water to even take a shower or even have something to drink at the moment. Literally, it's kind of disturbing, honestly, but I think that there was like 1,000 bodies recovered yesterday in one city alone. Really sad to see. So, like I said, we're probably gonna load up our 2-car hauler tomorrow, take a bunch of supplies, and you guys are gonna be the ones helping us do it. So thank you so much in advance. Our new entry event for $1,000 and 10 entries is live now. You get 10 bonus entries until October 10th, 10/10. Go to itsjustasix.com, grab entries, help us support these victims of the hurricane. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, me and Jess were standing out here in the shop watching it rain when the literal unthinkable happened. Bro, no way that this whole entire thing is flooding right now. No way. What? But guys, before we get into it, this video is sponsored by DraftKings, an official partner of the NFL and the #1 place to bet on touchdowns. And right now, all new customers who bet $5 instantly get $200 in bonus bets. That is $200 in bonus bets instantly. Go download the DraftKings app, stay in on the action, and use your $200 in bonus bets anytime. And if sports betting is not yet available in your state, don't worry. You can still join in on all the fun with DraftKings Daily Fantasy and still have a chance to win cash prizes. But don't just take my word for it. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app now and use the promo code ITSJUST6 again to get $200 instantly in bonus bets whenever you bet just $5. Again, that's promo code ITSJUST6 only at DraftKings Sportsbook. Download the app, and now let's hop back into today's video. The whole shop? No, hold on. Not the engine. Holy not the Texas speed. Hey, look. Can you get on the back of that? Oh my gosh. These better work. Oh, bro, no. That's enough water. Oh my God. Dude, what? What is going on right now? Come on. Bro, I didn't think that in Georgia we were going to have a problem with flooding. I thought we moved away from this shit. No way, dude. I don't even think we have like flood insurance. What the fuck? This is unbelievable. It is raining so bad here in Georgia.
Like, look how much water.
I am under the water. Please help me.
My shoes are soaking wet.
Oh shit,
what? Oh, good thing you caught that.
Oh, fuck.
This is literally floating away. Wow, this is nuts. And it's not even supposed to stop. Like, what do we do?
Dude, come on, no? What is this? Wow. Dude, life will test you, I'll tell you that, for sure. I can't even believe it. I can't even call anybody for help if something happens. As you can see, that thing is just blinking, letting us know that there is no form of internet anywhere. It's already flooded about an inch around the corner, so it's gonna soak up into those plywood walls too, so those are probably gonna have to get replaced. Good things are supposed to happen when it rains. We are still hours away from this hurricane actually touching anywhere close to here. And yeah, not going too great.
I'm standing in water holding my distance.
Yeah, you are. Inside of the shop is just completely covered with dirt and water pretty much everywhere. A few days ago we had some major flooding issues inside of our shop. This morning we're trying to fix it. So a lot of these trees that are creating erosion issues from the rain and everything, we're getting removed. This is the most professional tree removal service I've ever seen. Look at this.
If our neighbors aren't up, they're up now.
This is a trip.
I know. Look at the crane itself is moving up.
What? He just adjusted his vision real quick.
Yeah. I kind of want to go touch the ball.
Touch the ball.
Yeah.
All right.
I want to see how big it is. That's like the size of my head.
Dude, I can't even move it hardly. That's heavy.
232 pounds.
Oh, golly, dude.
Yeah, I missed that.
That hurts.
Damn.
That will hurt if it hits you in the head.
Yeah,
I've seen your videos, man.
How big
Oh,
is that? Thank you so much.
Me and him both are subscribers. We watch it. So he'll go up, he'll choke it, come down and cut it, and then we'll choke this branch after and take it as well.
Just out of curiosity, how much does this truck run?
Every between 3.5 and 3/4 mil.
Okay. Yeah, it's got to be halfway up the tree and cut it in half. That's some gangster shit.
Yeah, no, you'd have to pay me a lot to do that.
He watches the channel too. That's so cool. Dude, I wonder how many people that watch the channel, like what their jobs are. What are some of the craziest jobs of people that watch the channel? I bet there's some wild shit.
Yeah, comment down below. Oh my god. Oh my god. The tree's gone.
I know, that's crazy.
It's gonna be so weird.
This
That
is.
tree's leaving. That tree's leaving.
This is a lot more of an operation I was thinking it was.
It is officially time to remove this tree. That is the only tree that's a threat to the shop right here, man. That thing, if it fell, it's already dying. If it fell with a big wind, it could just destroy everything in the shop. So that was the only one that we were really worried about getting removed. Finally, it's going out. What?
That makes me so uneasy.
Wow. Okay. I'm impressed as fuck.
Oh, that's scary.
Wow.
There's just a tree floating in the air.
For real, that's something you don't see. Dude, what? Bro, these guys are so cool. They're taking the stump grindings from way over there. They're taking those shavings from the stump and filling in our low spots where we had all of that drainage issue coming down the driveway, leading to the flooding of the shop over there. This is a huge step towards fixing the drainage and getting some trees out of the way and prep for our new pavement that we're putting up there. And we're gonna be replacing it with some small fir trees, like I was saying, to still block visibility to the road a little bit better than what these even do. It's pretty cool though, man, big steps. And now before they even started, this is probably the 5th of the 6th load, but before they started this, there was a huge dip here. And now these guys are awesome enough to fill this back in for us. So like, God, man, I could not give a huge enough thanks to Kilmurray's Tree Service for helping us out with this. You know it's good whenever I'm telling you this, and I paid full price for it. This is not even $1 off for a sponsorship. You gonna keep it?
I got a souvenir.
I knew you were gonna keep it. I knew whenever I saw you pick it up, I was like, yep, that's hers. There are not many tree services anywhere else that are gonna do stuff like this for you, dude. This is so cool.
Oh, we do it all.
Dude, it has blown me away. Like, seriously, that is tremendously helpful. Seriously, thank you, thank
What,
you.
you already filling the hole? He's like, yeah, just start spreading it.
Thank you. Thank you so
But
much.
there you go. We got a little bit of gravel on there, but at least we pretty much got it all up there.
Yeah, that'll help backing up this trailer all the way, hopefully, too,
You
so.
can go ahead and back up the trailer now.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, hell yeah. And that was one of the biggest things that we were trying to wait on after getting this tree removed. But beforehand, we couldn't even back the trailer up because this tree was massive, dude. And now you can't even tell it was there.
Glad you're happy, man.
Definitely. Thank you so much
Yeah.
again, man. Seriously,
No problem.
seriously. We are finally today getting concrete put down outside of our house. So I'm up super early, man. It is 6:30 in the morning. We are already out here, but as you guys see, we've got an entire crew here dedicated today to getting all of this done, dude. I'm so freaking pumped. Right now, as you guys see, they are grading all of these rocks flat over there in prep for this whole entire area to be concreted. And then they're gonna take these extra rocks and put them outside of our gate and on the other side. That way we've got flat ground for everything. Today is gonna be the thing that allows for a whole lot better step up in content. These dudes have only been here for like 20 minutes and they're making such fast work of all of the freaking bordering edges and framing, and pretty sure this is gonna be done quicker than I think. They said that they're gonna have concrete trucks here in about an hour. Yep, Merlin, dude. Today's concrete is going to be stopping right here at this gate line because on the outside, as you guys see, we've got a big dumpster over there, which means the trash truck, delivery trucks, and all kinds of stuff are always parking right here. And concrete's tensile strength apparently is not very high for big machines and trucks like that. So on the outside, we are gonna have to do pavement just to make sure that that truck doesn't crush our very expensive, nice concrete. And then on the inside down here, we did concrete. That way it looks good and you'll be able to see all the donut marks real nice and defined. Should be sick. Little update, they got the gate pulled off over here. The entire driveway is graded pretty dang smooth. I gotta say, this looks amazing. Over here on this side, these guys are nice enough to take all this extra rock and fill in, so that way we're gonna be having a level surface to park the truck and trailers on with no issues. That's gonna be really sick, man. This is right at 4,500 square feet, so I'd love to hear what you guys think this is gonna cost. You comment down below, tell me what your best estimate of what this would be, and I'll tell you how close you are. Did you know that you can get interested in win either that 2021 BMW M4 or that 2024 twin turbo Mustang right now at itchupsticks.com? Anything like a hoodie, a sweater, a hat, a t-shirt, a bracelet, you're gonna get entered into both of those drawings. But anyway, I gotta be honest, this is crazy. Coming full circle, I've told you guys before, I used to work at a concrete plant, dude. I used to be the dude that, you know, what time is it right now? It's 9 a.m. That concrete got mixed a few hours ago. I used to be the dude at 4:30 a.m. mixing the concrete trucks. I live with my grandma. That shit sucked, dude. But guess what? Years and years later, this is my first time having a concrete truck come to my house to pour my shit. Oh, dude, there it goes. That's the first little bit of concrete. Let's go. There it goes. That is the first bit of concrete being laid down. This is so awesome. I cannot even believe it, bro. We are finally getting concrete at the house. I'm mesmerized, dude. I could really just sit and watch this like all day long. As always, I gotta give the whole thank you to you guys, man. This is a giant leap in a positive direction for this channel that has been needed for a long time. Back whenever we were in Louisiana making content that everybody loved, it was because we were acting goofy and able to act reckless, if you will, within the means of our limits inside of a parking lot at our old shop, and it was a lot of fun. This one, however, has had rocks outside since day one, which kind of keeps us from having any kind of fun. Can't do anything without tearing up the rocks and damaging the car and all of that. So this is about to change stuff a ton. This is actually coming out fantastic so far too. Our internet line got destroyed to the shop, as you guys can see right here, but they reinstalled this nice pipe under the rock. You can kind of see it over here, but we've got a pipe to feed that internet line underneath the concrete and any other things in the future all the way over to this other side, and then we'll be able to route it out there to the shop and reconnect it. The skill that this dude has is crazy. The driver, he's putting that concrete just like right in there. Well, our first patch is poured and it looks actually amazing. I'm really shocked at how good that has come out so far, but they're laying the next patch over there, as you guys can see here in just a second. Cole just got here.
I know.
You saw?
I did.
He made us something. That's so cool. Trying to stamp it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Where are we going to stamp it?
You want to stamp it right here?
We can? Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Let's go. That's gonna be so sick. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. As you guys know, we have the driveway over there as well, which we'll be getting done at a later point, but realistically that one's only for storage, so it's not as big of a deal. The one we're getting concrete on is the one that we use all the time, and this one over here is the one that we're gonna be starting to use to park all of our trailers and trucks. Look at that, dude.
This looks so much different than it did yesterday. It does. There was a giant crater there.
It really is crazy, man. So now we'll have a good pad to park the truck and trailers and all that. So it's gonna be sick, dude. We own this property right here, but as you guys see, there is a house back there. Our neighbor is gonna come back. He's been on vacation for a month, and he's gonna come back home to see that his driveway is now graded. We also have an automatic gate on his fence, and now we're gonna have concrete over here. The shop looks so different already, bro. Doing one final mix, and we're about to pour as soon as it slows down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You know what I will say I am happy for looking back on it?
What?
I'm happy the shop flooded.
I mean,
that prompted all of this. That literally did. I had no interest in immediately taking the trees out until the shop flooded. And I was like, you know, we need to fix this drainage. That's a part of the problem.
the tree was such a big issue. And like now that hump's been gone over so long ago.
Literally the actual hump that was there causing a lot of issues is no longer there. It is flat.
The ground was versus where it's no longer.
Yeah, bro. It was like a huge swell right there from where the giant tree was, but all of that has been removed, and since that being removed led to us getting our gates done, led to us getting the parking over there done for the truck and trailer, led to us getting the concrete done over here, led to quite a bit of stuff. This is the last little section until it is completely poured. The car collection tour video is gonna go insane. We've had so many nice cars out here just driving around on rocks. So finally, this is cool to see coming together, it really is. Dude, now you can really see how huge this space is. Oh, this is gonna be so epic. It's a giant wide open parking lot, basically. Golly. No more having to worry about getting arrested for doing hoonigan things.
Do it right here and then take it to the track.
Yep.
That's all we can do.
But also, sir, we were on private property.
Yes, on the racetrack.
And finally, a few hours later, these guys are headed out. We are completely wrapped up with the concrete install. Freaking driveway install, just casually, you know. Of course, we'll have the automatic gates, so that way we'll be able to open and close this remotely. Just gotta save up a little bit longer now to get pavement to butt up against the concrete that's at the edge of the gate. And after that, we will be 100% set. But already, this is a huge transformation that looks amazing. Natara, get off, motherfucker. Oh, fucking dog. But now for the most exciting part of the video, we're about to test out this car on our new concrete. We got to put some tire marks down on here. Again, our $1,000 1010 entry event right now to win both of these cars is live at itsjustasix.com. So go grab anything like our new designs, a hoodie, a hat, a bracelet. You could be taking home one of these cars plus cash. Let me get in this thing, warm it up, and then let's see how it do-si-does. She's a dancer. This is in fact the very first test of the skid pad, and we got sticky tires on it too. Sticky tires. Reminder, this car is pretty sick, so is that one. Grab entries in to win them. Get $1,000 in free entries right now at itsjustasix.com. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next upload.
That is how you break in the fucking concrete. Come look at it.
The concrete works, brother.
That was impressive.
Yeah!
Look, I was like, okay, I can't see. Stop.
That genuinely was impressive. That car was wanting to move so fast.
Yeah, it really did. It was trying to get out and go. Wow, this is insane. Hey man, nice to meet you, man. My name is Gavin Simon. We're about to take these fellows on a very big ride. Yeah, helping everybody.